Welcome, everyone, to Learn English with Podcast Conversation, your one-stop shop for improving your English speaking skills through engaging dialogues. I'm your host, Gigi, and today we'll be diving into the exciting world of travel. Joining me today is Finn, a seasoned traveler with incredible stories to share. Finn, welcome to the show.
Hi, Gigi. Thanks for having me. I'm thrilled to be here and chat about travel.
Fantastic. So, Finn, where was the most recent adventure that took your breath away?
Well, just last month I explored the breathtaking landscapes of Iceland. The glaciers, waterfalls, and volcanic rock formations were simply incredible.
Wow, Iceland sounds amazing. Did you find it challenging to communicate with the locals?
Actually, not at all. Many people in Iceland speak English very well. But there were a few fun situations where I had to brush up on my basic phrases. For example, when I wanted to ask for directions to a geothermal pool, I had to remember how to say hot spring in English.
That's a great example. Learning a few key travel phrases in the local language can definitely enhance your experience. Did you pick up any Icelandic words during your trip?
Absolutely. I learned take, which means thank you, and hey, which is a casual way to say hi. The locals really appreciated it when I tried to speak their language, even if it was just a few words.
That's fantastic. It shows you put in the effort to connect with the culture. Speaking of connecting, did you encounter any interesting cultural differences while traveling in Iceland?
One thing that surprised me was how late they eat dinner. Restaurants often don't get busy until 8 or 9 p.m. in the evening.
Interesting. So, how did you adjust to that schedule?
Well, I embraced it. I enjoyed long walks during the day, taking advantage of the extra daylight in the summer months, and then savoring delicious meals later in the evening.
Sounds like a perfect way to experience the local culture. Now, Finn, any advice for our listeners who are planning their next travel adventure?
Absolutely. First, do your research on the destination's culture and customs. Knowing a few basic phrases in the local language goes a long way. Second, pack light. Traveling with less allows you to be more adaptable and spontaneous. Finally, embrace the unexpected. Sometimes the best travel memories come from unplanned experiences.
Excellent advice. Finn, thank you so much for sharing your travel stories and insights with our listeners today.
It was my pleasure.
And to our listeners, we hope this episode inspired you to explore the world and improve your English speaking skills along the way. Don't forget to subscribe for more engaging conversations like this one.